Namaste viewers, welcome back to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare 3 dishes using wood apple. First one, we will see how to prepare rice using wood apple. For this we have to take raw wood apple. Half raw wood apple, freshly grated coconut 1 bowl, green chilies. I have taken 3 green chilies and cut. This is red chili powder. For tempering, chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, jeera and turmeric powder, hing, oil, salt according to taste. I have prepared rice for the wood apple rice. Don't open the cooker until you prepare all the preparation for the rice, because you need very hot rice for this. Now take a vessel, a broad vessel, put a layer of steaming rice in it. Now close this. Take this raw wood apple, cut it like this and remove it and put it in the steaming rice. Need not cook this wood apple. It will be very tasty and very healthy also. Now again put a layer of same steaming rice on it. In this heat itself, that wood apple will become cooked. The raw smell will go and it will become soft. Cover the rice on it. Now close the lid. In this rice itself, make some place. Add a half a teaspoon of oil. On this, you add a half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Cover the rice. Then cover this with a lid and keep aside. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan, let it get heated. Add teaspoons of oil. Now add hing. Around half a teaspoon of hing. Now add tempering ingredients, that is mustard seeds, jeera, chana dal, urad dal and turmeric powder. Add it, fry until it is done. Now add green chilies, cut green chilies. You can add groundnuts also. Now it is done. Switch off the stove. Now remove the lid from the steaming rice and we will add this tempering item ingredients to it. Now add required amount of salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt to it and we will mix it thoroughly. Mix the rice, smashing the wood apple. It will mix it thoroughly. Mix it while smashing the wood apple we have added in it. Now I have mixed it thoroughly. Finally we have to add freshly grated coconut. 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Now I have mixed it thoroughly. It is ready. If you find any pieces of wood apple, you just smash it and mix it. You will find some small particles in the rice. You smash it and mix it in the rice. It will mix it properly. Don't serve the wood apple rice immediately after mixing it. You leave it for at least half an hour to 1 hour so that the rice will absorb all the flavors of the wood apple. Now it is ready to serve. Now we will prepare chutney out of this wood apple. Ingredients for this are half the wood apple, half bowl of coconut, freshly grated coconut, required amount of green chilies, quarter spoon of methi seeds, quarter spoon of mustard seeds and quarter spoon of jeera seeds, salt, oil for frying, hing for tempering. First make a cut in the wood apple, then remove it from the shell, scoop it out and we will prepare the chutney. Now for chutney, switch on the stove, take a pan, let it get heated. Add just 2 drops of oil, then add the methi seeds, mustard seeds and jeera seeds. Fry until it is cooked. Now add green chilies, cut the green chilies and add or else it will burst. Fry until it is done. Just sort the green chilies, that is enough. Now we will take it out from the pan. Now to this pan itself we will add around 1 teaspoon of oil and then add the pulp of the wood apple. I have taken all the pulp from the wood apple. We will add to it and we will fry until it is done. You smash this and fry so that it will cook thoroughly. Some part will be little bit hard. You just smash it with the spatula and fry it until the raw smell of the wood apple disappears. Now it has become soft. We will remove from the pan and we will temper it and keep it aside. Finally we will mix the tempering in the chutney. We will remove this from the pan. Now for tempering of the chutney, take a teaspoon of oil. For this just hing tempering is enough. If you desire you can add mustard seed. Already we have added in the chutney na, so hing is enough. Now it is ready, we will switch it off. Finally we will add it in the chutney. First we will take this mustard, methi and jeera seeds and chili what we have fried in the mixie. Then add required amount of salt to it. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. We will first grind it, then we will add other ingredients. I have grinded the fried ingredients. Now we will going to add fried wood apple pulp. Don't add water to this chutney. It will become very watery and chutney won't taste nice. Half cup of freshly grated coconut. We will grind it. Now I have grinded all the ingredients thoroughly. Now what we will do? We will add this tempering oil and hing mixture to it and run the mixie for a second so that all the ingredients mix thoroughly. Now the chutney is ready to serve. Now we will take the ripened wood apple. Actually this is a common only. During this season every home they will prepare this and have it. Those who don't know, for them it will be a nice recipe. Scoop it out all the ripened pulp. Take it in the mixie. For 1 wood apple I am going to take a cup of jaggery, then a pinch of ilachi powder. Will grind and it will be ready. Now I have grinded the jaggery and wood apple. It has become a paste. It is ready to serve. Now the 3 dishes of wood apple is ready. One is wood apple chutney, another one wood apple rice and wood apple sweet chutney you can call. Actually this wood apple in Tamil it is called vidampalam, in Hindi it is called bel and in Kannada it is called beldhannu. A very tasty fruit, seasonal one you can have during this seasonal. Now it is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.